Okay, first off, please excuse the mess. This is a mad science lab. And if it seems like I'm getting way too close to it, it's because this thing is probably the biggest 3D printer of this model that I have seen. Got the motor mounts, the drive that runs it up and down. This is the slide it runs on. This is the motor that runs this part back and forth, which is the extruder head. Okay. The filament goes into this hole on the top. Let me go through this side here. Hold on. Okay, this is the extruder drive. The filament goes in here. Better view here, sorry. Watching my fingers and not the camera. Okay, it goes through a gear inside there. Okay. Goes down through the hot end. You see the wires going in for the heat. There's a blower on the back side that blows in from here, blows air around this so we don't melt anything. But I bought the high dollar aluminum, all aluminum extruder, $300 extruder, all aluminum. The other ones are all plastic that you've seen. It's a special hot head. There's no plastic in the head from here to here, so I can hit the high 300 degrees temperatures. The filament comes out of this little tiny hole down here, which you probably can't even see. Okay, come around here. This is a table. I just got it mounted. Okay, I got you see the bearings to the table. Bearing stands. Bearing over here. The motor that runs it is here. It has a belt that attaches in the center. Drives it back and forth. Fan blows to this hole here. This guy here moves back and forth. This guy here moves up and down by way of these two motors here. Now, like I was saying, one of the largest 3D printers that I've seen, my workable area will be something around 19 by about 12. Now the table is actually 21 by 15. I'm not sure what my height will be yet, but I have two heating pads that go on top of here, and then I've got to wire it all up. Okay, then you see the wires are all just hanging. Now, here is, don't fall off of there, the electronics. Okay, inside of here you'll find 5 motor drivers, the 2 sockets that go to the controller that goes on top, which is this cool dude here. She's going to live right up here on top, just like this. Okay, and this whole assembly right here will sit off to the side of the machine. Okay, and that's how you control it, is by way of this stuff here. Very nice. It's got an SD card on the side. I load my files on the SD card, select them, push the button, and she prints. Once it's all wired, as you can see, the wires are still waiting to be attached. The holes here and here get fans. They blow in. There'll be another fan on the end that blows across. All the hot air will come out the back here, and this guy will live off to the side of the machine somewhere. Let me set that down very gently. $300 worth of electronics in that box. Alright, here's the end stop for the table. Here's the end stop for the up and down. Okay, and the end stop for the back and forth. Although I will be moving this one inside of here before I'm done. I don't like where it's at out here on the side. I'm going to cover the entire body so that keeps in the heat. If you can maintain the heat in the cavity, then you have a better print. And like I said, it seems like I'm getting really close to the thing. I am standing back away from it. This thing is actually, if you buy a kit like this, that will run you, I think it was somewhere up to $1,200 for the same kit. You will get one that is from here to here. That's as big a one as you can buy. Mine is 13 inches wider than the standard kit. Anyway, there she is. It's a MendleMax 1.5 is the design on it. I purchased the plastic parts. I bought the railing myself, and I cut the railing to fit, custom cut. Everything else has been scrapped and had to be resanded, polished, cleaned. At this point, I'm $2,000 into this project. So there she is, my pride and joy. I'll make more videos when I get it all wired up and get it running. But it's going very slow because I am not going to get in a hurry. Everything's got to be custom fit.